Hey homesteaders, welcome back. Been a little while since we put out a video. Life did get busy for me. I apologize for that, but enough about that. We're enjoying a beautiful fall evening here in East Texas, and let's talk about a subject that really this time of the year concerns my back majorly. I've had 3 or 4 back surgeries and many procedures on my back. And you know, while I make and lift some feed bags or throw this weight around or that, it seems like the weird movements really affect my back the most, like raking leaves. Stop raking leaves. I have a recipe that you can steep those leaves in your yard. Mix them in with your favorite. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I've got something better for you. It's from Ohio Steel. So I have a 42-inch lawn sweeper from Ohio Steel. So we have centipede and St. Augustine throughout our front yard and backyard, and both pieces are huge. So as all the grass has come together now, we started out raking, then we were raking and blowing, then we were blowing. We have to blow or rake so far to be able to burn or disregard or dispose of these leaves that it's just not feasible anymore, right? And if you follow my channel, you know that I raise quail. Have quail barn, have compost piles. Leaves are great for compost. It's going to give you that brown. It's going to give you that carbon that you need. So gathering those, using those, that's superb. But how are you going to gather them? How are you going to use them? How are you going to get them out of your immediate yard? Are you going to come pay somebody $150 3 times a year, you know, throughout these fall and winter months to come rake, bag, dispose of, burn fuel, you know, all this? No. This sweeper has changed my life. Changed my life. It's like having 3 helpers that I don't even have to pay. It's wonderful. So I've taken some video footage of me using the sweeper, and we're going to play that here in a second, and then we're going to come back for a conclusion. I will tell you, if you're convinced, and if you like this video, which I do not know, I don't know anybody over the age 40 that's going to tell you they love to rake leaves and blow leaves and burn leaves and sticks and twigs and to keep their yard clean. But I know somebody who's been doing it forever, and it's me, and I'm tired of it. So we want to bring this review to you, which is one of the things we do on this channel, to let you know what we feel like, in our opinion, works and doesn't work. So without further ado, we're going to show you the video that I took using a lawn sweeper, and we're going to come back. Thank you for staying tuned. Hey folks, glad to have you back here. I'm going to do the demo I was talking about. This is the sweeper from Ohio Steel. It's 42 inches wide. I don't know the capacity on that. Well, it looks maybe 1.5 yards. But good construction. Everything is great. I'm going to go ahead and do the demo now, and then I'll come back to you with a conclusion. Thanks. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you see the advantages of that leaf sweeper. It has worked awesome for us. We use it to gather for compost piles. We use it to gather and bring in the front pasture to burn, which still puts that nitrogen back in the soil that we need. It gets those leaves off of our ground to where our ground will be able to dry and get the moisture that it needs, but still dry out and not just stay covered. You don't need that on your lawn. So I hope this helped. And again, if you liked what you saw and you want to purchase the Ohio Steel 42-inch sweeper, we're going to put a link below. If you buy through our link, obviously it's going to help our channel continue, and we appreciate you. Last but not least, we'd like you to like, subscribe, smash that button, and stay tuned for future videos, because they're coming to you. God bless.